Okay, my topic is about subtraction of integers using algebraic tiles. Okay, so I have here some samples, 4 samples. Okay, the first step is number 1, 2 minus negative 4. Place your positive 2, your minuend is 2, and disregard the sign. For your subtrahend, place 4 pairs, 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3 4. So first step, place your minuend here. Then next step, disregard the sign, place 4 pairs of algebraic tiles. Next step, remove this negative 4. Remove this negative 4. Okay, so what remains are 1 2 3 4 5 6 positive tiles. Okay, next, negative 8. So negative 8, your minuend is negative 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then disregard the sign, your subtrahend is 3 pairs, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Okay, next step, remove the positive 3. Why positive 3? Because this negative is a minus sign. Negative 8 minus operational sign. Negative 8 minus positive 3. So remove the positive 3. Okay, what remains are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 11 negative tiles. Okay, next, negative 4. Minuend is negative 4 minus negative 5. Disregard the sign, place 5 pairs. 5 pairs. Okay, next step, remove the negative 5. Remove the negative 5. Now, you have negative cards and positive cards. Okay, next step, pair them. Remove the pair, remove the pair, remove the pair, remove the pair. What remains is a positive tile. Okay, next, your minuend is 1. Disregard the sign, 2 pairs. Okay, 2 pairs. Subtrahend, disregard the sign, 3 pairs. Next, remove negative 3. Remove positive 2. Remember, this is positive 2. 1 minus positive 2. Okay, now we have two pairs. Remove. Okay, what remains are positive 2 tiles. Okay, let's check. What is the rule of subtracting integers? Okay, so where is your subtrahend there? Negative 4. Change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition. That is the rule of subtraction, of subtracting integers. Okay, change the sign of the subtrahend. This will become positive and proceed to addition. 2 plus positive 4. Same sign, add the absolute value, 2 plus 4 is 6, then copy the sign. Okay, check. Next, negative 8 minus positive 3. Okay, change the sign of the subtrahend, this will become negative, then proceed to addition. Negative 8 plus negative 3, same sign, add the absolute value, 8 plus 3 is 11, then copy the common sign, negative 11. Check. Change the sign of the subtrahend, this will become positive, then proceed to addition. Negative 4 plus positive 5, different signs, subtract the absolute value, 5 minus 4 is 1, then copy the sign of the greater number. 5 is greater than 4, so copy the sign of the greater number, positive. Okay, check. Now, 1 minus 2 minus negative 3. Change the sign of the subtrahend. We have two subtrahends here. Positive 2, this will become negative. This will become positive. Then proceed to addition. 1 plus negative 2. Different sign, subtract the absolute value and copy the sign of the greater number. So 2 minus 1 is 1. This will become negative. Negative 1. Negative 1 plus 3. Different signs, 1 and 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then copy the sign of the greater number, positive. Okay. So everything is correct.